Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Leo here, and today we need to talk about something that is low-key ruining, or maybe completely changing, how we talk to each other. Have you ever actually tried to say IDK or BRB out loud in a real conversation? It sounds ridiculous, right? But the truth is, the way we text has officially leaked into the way we speak. Today, we're breaking down texting slang versus real speaking, so you can sound natural, confident, and not like a walking keyboard. Let me ask you right off the bat, what is one texting acronym you use so much that you've accidentally almost said it out loud? Think about it. Let's start with the classic, LOL. When you type LOL, are you actually laughing out loud? Be honest. Most of the time, you're looking at your phone with a completely deadpan blank face, just typing it because something was mildly amusing. But in real life, if someone tells a joke, you don't stand there and literally say the letters LOL, you just chuckle, or you say, "That's hilarious," or "Good one." See the difference? Texting is all about speed and saving space. Real speaking is all about emotion and connection. If you just repeat text abbreviations in speech, people might think you're a bit robotic. Have you ever had a conversation with someone who felt a little distant or robotic just because of the words they chose? Now, let's look at another huge one. BRB, or be right back. In a text message, it's perfect. It's quick. But if you're hanging out with a friend at a coffee shop and you need to use the restroom, you wouldn't just look at them and say BRB. You'd say something natural like, "Hey, I'll be right back," or "Give me 1 second, I'm gonna grab a refill." It flows. It feels human. Why do you think we get so lazy with our words the second we start typing on a screen? It's because texting lacks voice. It lacks tone. When you text someone, they can't hear the warmth in your voice. So we use slang and emojis to fill the gaps. But when you are practicing your spoken English, you have the beautiful power of intonation. You can make a simple sentence sound exciting, comforting, or funny just by changing your pitch. Isn't it amazing how much a person's tone can completely change the mood of a room? Let's do a quick comparison of some common ones so you can see how they map out. Texting says, IMO, in my opinion. Real speaking says, if you ask me, or to be honest, texting says IDK. I don't know. Real speaking says I have no clue, or I'm not really sure. Which of those spoken phrases feels more natural to you when you try to say them right now? Think about TBH, to be honest. This one actually does get spoken sometimes, but usually native speakers prefer the full phrase because it carries more weight. If you're about to tell a friend a hard truth, you want them to feel your sincerity. Saying, "to be honest with you," builds a bridge of trust. Do you find it easier to be completely honest over text or face-to-face? It's a tough one, right? And oh boy, don't get me started on OMG. People definitely say OMG out loud, but it usually sounds very dramatic or like a movie character from the 90s. In everyday modern talk, we usually just go with, "Oh my gosh," "wow," or "no way." If someone told you a massive piece of gossip right now, what is your absolute go-to reaction word? The secret to bridging the gap between texting and speaking is realizing that you don't need to shortcuts when you talk. Take your time. Speak with rhythm. Use full phrases like, "as far as I know," instead of trying to pronounce AFAIK. When you use real conversational phrases, your English immediately sounds more mature and advanced. What is one area in your English speaking journey where you feel you need to slow down the most? You see, language is alive, and it's always changing. It's totally fine to use texting slang when you're messaging your friends on WhatsApp or Discord. It's fun. But when you step out into the real world, let your true voice shine through. Don't hide behind the acronyms. So, let's put this into practice today. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is the weirdest texting slang you've ever seen, and how would you say it in a real face-to-face conversation? I really want to read your answers. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.